Hi, I'm Erik, Digital Marketing Manager with Pearson Education, and welcome to the first of many Inform IT giveaways. So, as you know, at Inform IT, we're passionate about learning technology, and we know how hard it is to keep up with, so we've decided that we're going to help you out by giving you an opportunity to get your hands on some of our titles free, just for hanging out with us on Twitter. So, because of all the exciting news Apple released last week surrounding the iPad, I've pulled together an uber-scrumptious collection of new iPhone and Mac programming titles to inspire you all. Check these out. First up, I've got a copy of Erica Sadun's iPhone Developer's Cookbook. It's a second edition, and it offers complete coverage of the iPhone 3.0 SDK. Next up, I've got a copy of Developing Hybrid Applications for iPhone, using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build dynamic apps for the iPhone. It's by Barney. It's going to help you to discover how to build apps without necessarily having to dive headfirst into Objective-C. Third up, I've got a copy of Cocoa Programming Developer's Handbook by Chisnall. It's a complete guide to mastering Mac OS X programming with the Cocoa APIs. You're going to love it. Next up, I've got a copy of Cocoa Design Patterns. This is by Erik and Donald Yacktman. It is going to help you unlock the secrets of Cocoa and its object-oriented frameworks. Okay, and so for the piece de resistance, I've got something very exciting for you. I've got a copy of Steve Kochan's best-selling book, Programming in Objective-C 2.0. It's a second edition, and it's very, very exciting because not only do I have the book for you, but I've got Steve Kochan's LiveLessons video training product that goes with it. And this LiveLessons video training has more than 8 hours of video instruction featuring Steve Kochan showing you step-by-step how to use Objective-C 2.0. Very cool. So, you may have noticed something interesting about all these titles I showed you today. They're all purple. And that's because they are all part of a very acclaimed series by Addison Wesley Professional called the Developer's Library. And what you need to know about the Developer's Library series is that they are very elegant books written by technology practitioners who are exceptionally skilled at organizing and presenting information in a way that's useful for other programmers. Good to know. Another thing I want you to know, because we're on the subject of iPhone development today, is that Pearson Education has developed an iPhone app that brings to your mobile bookshelf 3 of the best-selling iPhone developer books from Addison Wesley Professional. So if you fancy the idea of having best-selling iPhone development books available to you on your iPhone or your iTouch, head on over to the iTunes store and check out the iPhone Developers app by Addison Wesley Pearson Education. For less than $30, you get 3 titles. The first one is Programming Objective-C 2.0 by Steve Kochan. Second is Cocoa Programming for Mac OS X by Aaron Hilligoss. That would be this puppy right here. And third is a copy of the iPhone Developer's Cookbook by Erica Sadun, which I already showed you today. I wanted to thank you for watching. Be sure to check out the instructions on how to win these awesome prizes on our blog. And if you aren't already, please follow us on Twitter. And be sure to let your friends and colleagues know what we're up to here. And we'll see you again soon with more Inform IT giveaways. Happy coding!